Now, the given question 13 says fx is a given function of matrices. A matrix is given, and we have to show that fx into fy is equals to fx plus y. So now let us move to our solution. So solution says fx, which is the function of x, and fy, which is function of y. Now in the value of x we have put it y. So if we multiply this, first of all we have to check that order matches or not. So the column of the first matrix and the row of the second, the column of the second matrices is equals. So in the question number 13 we have given a function fx. For this we have to prove that fx into fy is equals to fx plus y. So let us move to a solution which says the function of x to the and multiplied with the function of y. So first of all we have to check the matrices order are matching or not. So we have to calculate. So it is the order it is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, and the other matrix is also is the order of 3 cross 3. So first of all we have to check the column of the first matrices matches with the with the row of the second. So 3 and 3 are equal, so these matrices are multiple, can be multiply. So cos x into cos y is cos x into cos y, and this sin x into sin y, it is minus sin x sin y plus 0. Again we will multiply this with the second column, cos x into sin y, this is negative, sin x into cos y minus sin x cos y it is, and for the second row and first column it is. Now we have multiplied this equation, so now we will calculate cos x cos y minus sin x sin y can be written as cos x plus y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y can be written as sin x plus y, and 0 is 0. Now sin x cos y and cos x sin y can be written in minus sin x plus y, and again this can be written as sin x sin y, and cos x cos y can be written cos x plus y, and it is 0 0 1 and 0. We have proved that function of fx, which is cos x sin y, cos x sin x 0, this function is, if we multiply this with fx and fy we will get this fx plus y. So we can write it fx is equals to fx plus y, sorry, fx into fy, hence proved. For question number 14 we have to show that first these both the matrices we multiply is not equals to the other two. For this we have to say that AB matrix if we multiply A into B is not equals to B into A. So given A is equals to 5 6 minus 1 and 7, and B is 2 3 1 and 4, not similar to B is 2 3 1 4 multiplied by 5 6 minus 1 and 7. So now let us see the solution. It is 5 into this, it is 10 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 6 3 18, and it is 28, 6 28 12. Sorry, something I have done a mistake. 5 into 2 is 10, and it is minus 3 minus 4, 6 into 2, sorry, it is 12, and it is 18. Now 6 1 6 and 6 1 22. Now again this we have to multiply. 2 into 5 10 plus 6 minus 2 plus 7 15 plus 24 minus 3 plus 28. So 10 minus 3 is 7 1, it is 20 30, it is 4 34, which is not equals to 16 39, it is 7 and 2 5, 28 minus 3 is 25, hence proved. Second part also we have to do with the same method. So I'll move to question number 15. In this we have to find the value of a square minus 5a plus 6 into identity matrix if a is a given matrix. If we multiply a into a, we will get a square. So now let us multiply it. It is 4, 0, and it is plus 1. 2 into 0 plus 0, and it is minus 1. It is 2 plus 6, 2 plus 0 plus again 0. It is again, we have to multiply this matrix. So a square matrix is 5, 9, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 6, and 2. Again we have to calculate 5a, which is 5 times of a. We will get 10, 10, 5, 0, 10, minus, it is 5, it is again minus 5, it is 5, 15, and 0. Now again we have to calculate 6i, means 6 into identity matrix 1. For the matrix of order 3 cross 3, the identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, which is 6 0 0 0 6 0 and 0 0 6. So if we solve the given equation, we will get 6i, which is 5 9. We will get 5, it is minus 5 and 6 is 1. It is minus 1, 2, 5, 8, 7, 2, and it is minus 3, 9, minus 10 and 0, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, it's minus 7, and plus 6 is 1, 6 and 15, 15 minus 6 is 11, 9, it is minus 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, and it is 2, this is 0, 2 plus 6 is 8. It is the answer. I have done a mistake. It is minus 2. So it is the answer. This is the correct answer. It is 4. Please check it. Correct answer. In the 16th question, we have to do the same. So I'll move to the question number 17. In this, we have to find the value of k for the equation which is given. A square is equals to k into a minus 2i, and a is 3, 4, minus 2, and minus 2, and I is the identity matrix. So first of all, we have to calculate a square. A square is similarly a into a. So a square is 3 into 3 is 9. It is minus 8, minus 6, plus 4, 12, minus 8. It is 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, and it is plus 4. We will get 1, minus 2, 4, and minus 4. So a square minus k into a is minus 2i. A square is 1, 4 minus 2 minus 4, plus k into a is a given matrix is 3. It is not plus, it is equals to 3, 4 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 into identity matrix, which is 2 0 0 2. So if we take this matrix, identity matrix, to the left hand side, we will get 1 4 minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 0 0 2. We will get, now 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 2 plus is minus 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2, which is equals to 3k minus 2k, 4k, and minus 2k. So from this we will calculate 3k is equals to 3, so k is equals to 1. Hence the answer is k is equals to 1. Question number 18, we have given a matrix A. For this we have to prove the given condition where I is the identity matrix and A is the given A matrix. So I plus A, which is it is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. So I matrices is equals to 1 0 0 and 1. So I is equals to 1 0 0 1 plus A is 0, 10 alpha by 2. It is minus 10 alpha by 2, and it is again 0. So we will get 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, and 1. Now we have calculated this I plus A. Now we will calculate I minus A into cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. I minus A, we will calculate it separately. I minus A, which is equals to 1001, or we can substitute the value here, or we can solve it. 0 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2, and it is 0. So we will get 1 plus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. Sorry, it is not plus, it is 1 tan alpha by 2 tan alpha by 2, and it is 1. So if we substitute this value here, we will get 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2, 1, multiply with the given matrix cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. We will multiply these both. It is cos alpha. This we have multiplied it, and now we will open this tan alpha by 2 as sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2. We will get cos alpha, and this sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. If we multiply this cos alpha with this, we will get, and it is cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha into sin alpha by 2. Here it is minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha, it is cos alpha by 2 also, divided by cos alpha by 2. It is minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha plus sin alpha into cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Here we will get sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Now from this we will get cos A plus cos B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. It is an identity cos A minus B upon cos alpha by 2. It is again sin A cos B and cos A sin B. It is sin A minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Now sin A cos B, again it is sin alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Here sin A sin B, it is cos alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Now cos upon cos, this can be written as cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha. It is sin alpha by 2, it is negative, cos alpha by 2. It is sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, and it is cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. It is alpha by 2 minus alpha. Now it is 1 tan alpha by 2. It is minus tan alpha by 2, and it is 1. Hence we have proved the given condition. So LHS and RHS is equal. Question number 19 says it is a word problem. So a trust fund has rupees 3000 and must be invested in two different type of bond. The first bond is 5% a year and second is 7%. Using multiplication of matrices, we have to calculate the total interest received as rupees 1800 and B as 2000. I will calculate only for one. So please be part with yourself. So 19 question gives, let the interest given is X. X is an interest, and other interest may be 30,000 minus X, and the two types of bond are two types of bonds, which are 5% and 7%. So I'll do the first part A, which is given of rupees 1800. Now we have to make a matrices. So let us make a matrices of investment is X and 30,000 minus X, 30,000 minus X, and other is 5%, it is 7%, which is equals to 1800. So the order of the matrix given matrix is 1 cross 2 and it is 2 cross 1. So we will get the value as in the order of 1 cross 1, which is equals to 1800. Now X into 5, it is 5% of X, 5 upon 100 of X, and this into 7%. So 30,000 minus X into 7 by 100. If we will it is plus. So if we add these, 5 upon 100 of X plus 30,000 is 21,000 upon 100 minus 7 upon 100 X, which is equals to 1800. Now we will take 1 upon 100 common. It is 5x minus 7x plus 210. It is 2,10,000 is equals to 1800. So 5x minus 7x is minus 2x plus 2,10,000, which is equals to 1,80,000. So minus 2x is equals to, if we subtract 1,80,000 with 2,10,000, we will get 1,80,000, it is 0. 8 minus 11 minus 8 is 3 and it is 1. Now minus 2x. So we will get value of x, which is equals to 15,000. So the investment paid is of 15,000. So here is your answer. 20. Question number 20 is also a matrix multiplication. So you will try it, and if you do not understand, please let me know in the comment section. I will tell you tomorrow. Now let us move to the question number 21, which says if x, y, z and p are matrices, the given order of the matrices are this. Now we have to do question number 21 and 2 with the given question given. 21, the restriction of n, k and p so that py plus wy can be defined. So we will first write the order of p, which is given order of p is p cross k, and y is the order, y is 3 cross k, and w is n cross 3, and again y is 3 cross k. So we have written a matrix, though two matrices can only be multiplied if the column of the first matrix is equals to the row of the second matrix. So from this we can know that k is equals to 3, and here again 3 is equals to 3, and wy can be multiplied gives n cross k. So p into y gives p cross k, and w cross y gives n cross k. These matrices can only be added when the order p cross k is equals to n cross k. K is equals to 3 is equals to n cross 3. So p is equals to n. So given options are k is equals to 3 and p is equals to n. Hence it is the answer which we have proved. Now given 22, if n is equals to p, then the order of the matrix 7k and 5z is. So 7k minus 5z. 7k order of the matrix is k. 7 into k. The n is equals to p, the order of the matrix 7x. Sorry, it is x, not k. I am sorry. Now 7x. Order of the matrix is x is 2 cross n, and 5 into z. Z is it is 2 cross p. So n is equals to p. N is equals to 2. From this it is 2 cross n is equals to 2 cross p. A matrix can only be subtracted if both the order matrices order are same. So 2 cross as n is equals to 2 cross p. So n is equals to p. Sorry. It is given n it is equals to p. So we will put 2 into n is equals to 2 into p. Sorry, 2 into n. So order is equals to 2 into n. Here's the answer. And it is option B. Today we have completed exercise 3.2 also. So please do question number 20 which I haven't now done. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Video so that other students who have recently been in class 12 can get my video lectures, because I am doing the NCERT solutions all the questions. Thank you.